Hi everyone, my name is İdil and welcome to my kitchen. I'm a Turkish YouTuber with one of the largest cooking channels here in Turkey, and I've just started making English videos. In my channel you'll find easy, very delicious and wholesome Mediterranean recipes, and today we'll be making together lamb shish kebabs, an amazing dish, very delicious and very easy. So let's get started. So here I've got my lamb meat, cut about 3-4 centimeter chunks, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze the water out from 2 grated onions, and this is gonna be our marinade. I learned this technique in culinary school. It makes the meat absolutely so soft and very delicious. So I've got all the onion juice here over my meat, and you can use these dry onions to make Turkish meatballs. The recipe is up on my channel, so make sure you don't waste it. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna put some thyme in it, fresh, and I'm just gonna bash these 2 cloves of garlic. Get the peel off. And I'm just gonna put these here too. Such an easy technique, works great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and it has to wait for a minimum of 4 hours, and if you want it to wait longer, it's only gonna get better. But make sure that it doesn't stay longer than 24 hours actually, or 20 hours and so. So I'm gonna let this rest for 4 or 5 hours, and then we're gonna cook them and make a salad and prepare our dish. So the meat has been rested in the fridge for about 4 hours, and I've just taken it out 20 minutes beforehand so that it's at room temperature right now, and I'm gonna prepare my shish kebabs. So I take my wooden skewer and I just put a piece of meat and a red pepper. You can add onions, but I'm gonna serve this with an onion salad, so I just left it out. And I'm just gonna do this, 1 meat, 1 red pepper, and prepare all the skewers. And once I've got everything on my skewers here, I'm just gonna pat these dry to get rid of that extra moisture. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna cook them in my cast iron pan here. So these go into the hot pan, and about 2 minutes on each side. If you do have barbecue, you can make this up on the barbecue as well. It would be great. Flip them over when you see one side is cooked. Ow, it's hot. And once I see both sides cooked, I'm just gonna take this on my cutting board here and let them rest. So I've got all my skewers cooked, and what I'm gonna do is, while they're resting, I've got 3 lavashes here. I mean, pretty much the same as tortilla bread. And I'm gonna put them on this pan so that they get that smoky deliciousness inside them and heat up as well. And I'm gonna prepare my 2 salads. One is going to be an onion salad. I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of sumac on top of my sliced onions, as well as some salt. And I'm gonna just go with my hands here. And in Turkish, we call this, we have a term for this actually, which is killing the onion. So I'm killing the onion right here. And you know, once the onion is dead and done, I'm just gonna switch to my chopped tomatoes, and I'm adding some parsley on top of it. Some salt. Giving these a good stir as well. And they go great with lamb shish kebabs. It's now time to plate. I'm so excited about these. And the tortillas are really hot as well, just how I want them. So I got my tortillas here on a big plate, and I put the lamb skewers on top. It looks amazing. It does look amazing, doesn't it? And let's put some salad to the side. Goes tomatoes and parsley. Always an amazing mix. and the onions that I wrapped with sumac. Let's give it a taste. It looks wonderful, it really does, and I'm so hungry right now from all the smell. I'm gonna show you how we eat it. So you take a lavash or tortilla in your hand like this. You take a skewer and you just hold it with the lavash and you just get rid of that wooden square like so. And we put some salad on top of it. So some onions, and some tomatoes, and you make it like this in a roll. Oops. And let me give it a taste. So soft. It is because that we marinated in the onion water. When it meets with the onions that we wrapped with sumac and with the tomatoes and parsleys, it takes it to a whole different level. It's nefis, meaning delicious in Turkey. So make sure to get in your kitchens and try out this recipe and leave your comments down below. I hope you subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you next time. Bye!